What's up, Cruise Crew? This is your boy Jay Cruz, aka AUDIOZONE. Another day, another video for you guys, man. We have a very special guest. His name is Dogwater, all the way from San Antonio. What is going to be your YouTube channel name?
It's going to be Dogwater TV.
Dogwater TV. Now, this is your car. How long you've owned this car?
This car for 2.5 years.
2.5 years. What's your experience with this Dodge?
It's a beast, man.
It's a beast. You're loving it.
It's always been a beast since the factory, man. I picked it up, and we came out. We was racing and just doing things that a 5.7 shouldn't be doing.
And having fun with it?
Having fun with it.
And then you saw a video, you got injected with doing something to it.
Man, watching y'all videos, it just gets me excited. My wife sitting on the side of me telling me, we gonna make it happen. And here I am.
You know what? How long y'all been together, man?
We've been together for 10 years.
10 years. You know what? That's cool that she supports you the way she do. Because a lot of wives be like, no, we got to do this. Because she supports you. That's all good. You don't have to use the golden rule of marriage. Just ask for forgiveness and not permission.
Yeah.
You do it the other way around. You have for permission and you get away with it good. That's great, man.
She's my partner. She's my best friend. So she want to see this car grow just as much as I do. Sometimes I feel like she want to see it more than I do. So.
Because she wants you to hook it up when you buy your next car. She can keep it. That's what it is. That's all it's about, man. She wants to get it. Is that the truth?
That's the truth.
I know that's the truth, man. You know what I'm saying? But it's good. But walk us through your baby. Tell us everything that's that you've had it. I do see that you have the windows.
So the windows lower. That was actually my wife's idea. She
Look good.
Put them on there and stealth it up.
Okay.
Got me a little wicker bill.
I got that. I see that right there.
We got the real diffuser coming in a week or so.
I got that.
That's gonna be waiting. So we put 20 by 11s from -2.5.
So you got the wide body offset already. You see this, guys? So he's got this all done. You can see the wheel sticking out the tire. And then he got this whole car situated here. But you can see that he already upgraded the bumper to a HELLCAT. So now he's at the audio trying to get some stuff done. So we're about to get the car painted. And there could be something that y'all probably can see on this video that you haven't even seen mine yet. We did something very different when it came to the wide body on my HELLCAT this run around. We actually molded it into the car. So on this car that you're going to be seeing, you're probably going to see the video first. I don't know just how I can get this edited out there. But we're going to be introducing this car to the first molded from AUDIOZONE, molded into the wide body. But look what the car looks like right now. No wide body kit at all. As y'all can tell here, nothing at all, right? Y'all see this, nothing at all going on with this one yet. But when you get done with this car, it could be a whole different build. We're gonna get a wide body kit that he has, install it, get everything painted. We're gonna mold it into the car. That'll be seamless install. Nobody's done it yet, man. We did it first with the AUDIOZONE, and now we are working on getting it done for him too. So he could be the first guy that I put out of my store with the kit that we just did for the AUDIOZONE. So stay tuned to this build. So on this car that came from all the way from San Antonio, we're actually doing the fitment right now. Customer had already installed this bumper. You can see that he didn't really get it right here and all the alignment points, but we're about to get this separated. Adolfo hasn't got this side situated yet, but he's getting everything ready. But we have the alignment of the wide body in place. So we do this to get the alignments perfect and make sure everything's right before we get the install. Fitment is very important. Let me show you what we look at here. So this wide body has this angle, perfect here. This angle, perfect here. And the rest is now up to us to get it all stick. But look, when you do this here, you see that this bows out here. That's why a lot of people fail. So we're gonna get our process done on this one and get this one going in. We're situated to be able to get this car signed, still delivered to the customer. But we're doing something special on this guy's car. We're gonna actually do the wide body install and then we're molding it to the car like I did my AUDIOZONE. So stay tuned so y'all can see how this comes out, man. I know the guy can be very, very happy. Stay tuned. All right, Cruise, at this point in time, we are gonna wrap this boy here. You see this guy always playing around. But we're gonna go pick up these two wide bodies. We got one from San Antonio, one from Jacoby here locally. Just stay tuned, man. It could be interesting. Very interesting to see these builds. Both of them molded in. We should have some great results with this. All right, guys, so I'm giving y'all a continuation, man. We got this car up in the building, man. It is the first wide body that we've done in this store that is actually molded in. Like, look at this, guys. This is 100% molded in. Again, this is the hardest thing that you're gonna be able to see, is that is perfection. You ain't gonna find a kit like this done by anybody else. And like I said in the previous video with the red one, we're beginning to do the custom done wide body. I guarantee you, a lot of people trying to follow, man, and it's okay, man. We're leaders in the game. We've been doing this, man. We're grateful for the blessing that God has given us, man. And you know, we've put a lot of time to get this game perfected, man. And you know what? The customers are coming out happy, and that's all we can care about, man. So truthfully, when Mr. Jacoby sees this car today, he is not gonna believe it. On this video, y'all saw when he got the car, he took it somewhere, got painted, didn't like it, brought it over here. We got it together. He is gonna be super ecstatic. Stay tuned so y'all can see this build. All right, Cruise, I'm gonna show y'all something, man. Stone is killing the game again with the wide bodies. Not only did we start doing them professionally, but look at this, y'all. Molded wide bodies, only at AUDIOZONE. Can you see anything different here? Nothing. It's all one piece with the fender, y'all. Nobody's doing. I'm pretty sure we're gonna get a lot of copiers right now, but this one right now can be signed, still delivered. Look at this, y'all. Look at the back of this bad boy. Can you tell that there's anything on the car? Nope. It's completely molded in. Something that we're doing here in AUDIOZONE. I know we're gonna get a lot of copy people out there, but it's okay, man. It's better to be a leader than to be a follower. So we're getting this done. This is looking amazing. I know when he picked up from San Antonio today, he's gonna be super ecstatic and super happy to see his baby. I guarantee he wasn't expecting such a great result. He came out from San Antonio, hit up the AUDIOCAT, said that he saw our videos on YouTube and wanted to get the wide body done. He drove all the way from here, made an appointment, got the car dropped off. Guys, today this car is getting signed, sealed, and delivered. He's gonna be super excited. Wait till you see the results of this build. It's gonna be incredible. Stay tuned. So at this point in time, we have a great reveal for you. It could be the second Challenger, done, period. Wide body, molded in, all the way from San Antonio. He can begin doing his YouTube channel. What could be your channel's name?
Dogwater TV.
Dogwater TV, man. And this is his beautiful daughter. She's been so beautiful. And that's his wife, man. So y'all saw in the beginning of the video, she was very supportive bringing up the car here. But now we got something for you, buddy. The moment of truth has come. You drove here from San Antonio about 4 hours. 5 hours to see the bathroom breaks up.
People can't drive.
Oh, you know what I'm saying?
Oh,
but you had a longer wait for this moment. I think you're gonna be very impressed. Are you ready for your reveal?
I'm ready. Let's go.
Let's go make sure everything's good. I don't know if they're doing a test drive or not, but I'm gonna verify real quick for you. All right, you come outside. Come outside, man. All right, man, come on down and look at your car.
Y'all about to see it for the first time with me.
Boy, I can't wait for you to see it, man. It's the red that does it.
Here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. No, it don't.
Do you see our car, baby?
Oh my goodness. Look at it.
I want y'all to pay attention, guys. Second one, molded in. Nothing that you could possibly complain about in this car whatsoever. This car is absolutely gorgeous, and he is sitting. Let me walk you through the car. Y'all ready? Y'all, so at this point in time, the car is being delivered. My question to you is gonna be, what do you feel about what we're looking at this camera right now?
Listen, man, when I looking up these wide body kits and thinking about what I wanted to do, I was gonna go with a camera wrap, and I was like, you know what, that's cliche. So let me hit up somebody else like ModFX, and then I see AUDIOCAT. I was like, hold on, I'm subscribed to this man. I see him doing these kits the way I like it. I come out here with the Vicrest kit, okay, everybody know about those, but I was not expecting to get it molded. I ain't even hear about it. Perfect timing. God had blessed me to meet this man at the right time, and now I got one of the sickest Challengers out here in Texas.
I can guess you can see this baby girl. The color really sets the car off, but the car right now is unique from anybody else's. And you see this one here. You all see we have the white one back there. We have finished them both today. Y'all gonna see two different videos, but they're actually gonna be parked side by side today, so you can get to see both of these cars. Both of them molded. Like, this is the second Challenger. Look at the second Challenger done, and this is the first Charger done, and they're both done molded here at AUDIOZONE. So you know what? We're just doing our best to serve our customers, and we're just improving the game every day and making it better and making it better, making it better. Thanks to you guys always, man. My customers are very excited, very happy, and I am more than excited, more than happy for them, because they get to see their dreams come into reality, man. So right now, we're watching these two cars. Jacoby's got delivered on a previous video. The red was being delivered to him today, all the way from San Antonio. We want to tell them thank always for the support that they give us, of being able to let us do this thing for y'all, man. But to me, it's probably good to see their smile. All right, guys, so the moment has came for Mr. Jacoby, known as
No Evil 392.
No Evil 392. So stay tuned, because he could be starting his YouTube channel. We're going to be helping him get it going, man. So stay tuned. When you see the community list, man, go ahead and support him and give him that support on his channel. They're doing a test drive on your car. Make sure everything's not rubbing. We got the spacers and everything on your car. So he should have his car finalized. And he should be having... You got a girlfriend? You know how many you have now, man?
How many we have, Jay?
I don't know. It depends on his game, right? There's nothing we could do about that. It really comes down. You can have all the car if you want, man, but that's on you, man. You gotta have the pockets too, though.
Oh yeah, I
Pockets is important.
I got pockets.
No, you don't ever say that to a camera, to a female. You never say that, bro.
I ain't got the pockets.
That's what I'm saying. I ain't got nothing, girl.
I'm broke.
Come pull up and I'm in a Civic, baby. This is all I got. Don't
I'm
say
in a
nothing.
2005 BMW X5.
You went too far. You went BMW, bro. You gotta say, you know, listen, man. I'm driving a 1979 Corolla. Like,
I'm driving a 1995 Grand Marquis.
That still gets live attention, y'all, but you know what? All fun and games over. We're about to reveal your car, man. I want to see what your reaction is going to be. That test driving it right now, make sure everything's good. And we should have it in front in a few minutes to see if everything's good. You'll be having your car, so stay tuned for his reaction. So, y'all, I'm outside right now waiting for the car. They're doing a test drive. I'm very excited for the kid, man. He deserves it. He works hard, and he's able to put money in his car. I mean, I know car's not one of the greatest investments you can have, but you know what? It is something that we do personalize and we love. So it's a great thing for us to be able to put our hands and give it that touch and make it yours. I'm very excited for this kid, man. I see the struggles of what he's trying to do and what he's trying to accomplish. And all I can say is that he's got it done, y'all. So we're about to reveal his car. They're test driving the car. Stay tuned. This is his car. Check it out, y'all. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go get Jacoby and bring him his car, and let's see his results, man. So we're walking into the store of AUDIOZONE. Jacoby, come outside. It's your time. Come on, go look at your girl. I want you to go inspect it like you did the first time, and tell me if you have the same car. How you feeling? What I told you. I knew you were gonna come to this corner first, because that's where you had the most damage to this car originally. But I tell you right now, go look around your car. You have the first molded Charger on YouTube, period. I don't know about anybody else in the country, but I know in Dallas for sure. You have the first molded white body. But Jacoby, I got a question for you. Honestly, how you feeling? No cap, like they say in this generation. Now, how you feeling?
I'm feeling like...
Is this what you were expecting?
Nah, not at all.
Is it better or worse?
It's way better.
Way better.
Way better.
You know you're the only one that has this, right? So you know that right now you'll be able to launch your channel as the first molded wide body. This is your dream. You had it. We made it a reality. I can't really say nothing. The quality speaks for itself. The car looks amazing. I know he's gonna go clean the car with a toothbrush tonight and get it all perfect, but the car is a day and night experience. Now it's just one of the things you got. I know you got many more to come. Jacoby, what do you want to tell YouTube today, man?
Hey, all I gotta tell y'all, don't go the cheap route.
Why? Because you know what? Let's
route.
have this moment. Let's talk about what happened. So you called for a quote. We gave you a price. You found out somebody could paint it cheaper. You took it to, you're the second guy on camera gonna say this. So you took it to them and you got the car back and the results were?
Trash.
And we showed you everything. There was running and so on. We're not putting names out, but running paint, a lot of black spots, horrible. But you did, you already paid, you just said hell with it. Then we did the install and there were some little flaws in their paintwork and we showed you everything. I gave you an option of doing what I did to my car. You took that route. This is your results. Are you happy?
I'm very happy.
Very, very happy?
Very happy.
So now my question is, if somebody said they need a wide body, what you gonna tell them to do?
Go to AUDIOZONE.
That's all I'm saying, man. So you know what?
Go to AUDIOZONE.
That's what I'm talking about.
You can't just do it right here. Y'all gotta go to.
It's a privilege and honor, Jacoby, to have you as a customer. Man, I am lost for word myself, but I'm gonna tell you one thing: you deserve it. Keep on staying positive. Keep on staying focused, man. Your dreams will always come to reality, man. And I always say, if you could dream something, if you could really put enough drive behind it, you could achieve it. And you've been able to achieve it. How old are you?
I'm 21, just turned 21.
21 years old, 21 years old, man, and had enough money to do all this stuff. So you gotta know he's doing the right thing, man. But you know what? We're gonna end this video telling y'all always thank y'all for the support. Thank you guys for the subscription, man. Don't forget to share and always give us a comment below. Y'all be good, God bless.